Oh wow, sorry guys, my mic was mute. Now I'll unmute myself. So, yep, there we go. I think now you guys can hear me, right? You guys can hear me? All right, all right, all right. Let's get it, man. Yup. Let's go. All right. Hope you guys are doing good. Let's get it. So, yep. I'm done setting it now. All right. Come on, everybody. Israel the trader here. We're about to trade a live London session. So let's get it and wait for the market to open. So I'm looking at the GBP USD right now. Just looking at GBP USD. I'm thinking of going long on GU, not GJ, right? So right now, I'm just watching GU and looking out for what exactly is going on here, so that we can just take advantage of some certain moves in the market. You know what I mean? So yeah, guys, it's gonna be fantastic trade anyway. But let's see. Let's see, man. Let's see. All right. Yeah. Okay, Nicholas is saying we are okay, bro. Yeah, that's very good. Desmond is saying good morning. Good morning to you guys. Hope you guys are good. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, man. Give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. You know what I mean? But if you are a returning subscriber or if you are part of us, you gotta just share the video and give it a thumbs up, right? Come on, everybody. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Yeah, Stephen Forrester is saying good morning. Good morning. How you doing, bro? Hope you are good. Hope you are good. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. All right, man. So yeah, this week has been a good week so far. So we only had one stop loss hit, which was Euro JPY, and later on Euro JPY went up for at our entry point again, right after hitting our stop loss. So it does happen, guys. It does happen. Hit our stop loss for 30 pips. Now go back again to our entry point. So right now we still look out for entry points on EJ as well. But CHF JPY hit final take profit. You know what I mean? This is CHF JPY right now. As you guys can see, boom, hit our final take profit for about 60 pips. And right now I'm still holding some of my position on CHF JPY. So you can either hold your position as well or close everything, right? But me, I closed some position, but I left some still running in profit, right? So that's how it is, guys. You close some, you leave some. That's how it is. You secure some profit. It is very, very good. Like I do say that secure profit is what belongs to you, while running profit does not belong to you, right? So that's how it is. And sorry, what I was saying. Come on, everybody. Okay, I had some messages, that's why I'm kind of confused. All right, let's get it. So yeah, like I was saying, CHF JPY hit our final take profit, right? So now we took NZD card live and direct yesterday. So I think NZD card hit our first take profit and was going for our second take profit. Right now NZD card is still going up to the upside, because me personally, I'm still in this trade. So right now, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for NZD card to continue to push back up. You see that it has kissed our second TP, but it was not triggered, right? It was like 1 pips or 0.5 pips away from our second take profit to be triggered. So right now I'm still waiting for NZD card to go and hit our second take profit and probably our final take profit for 120 pips, right? So that's how it is, and we have to just monitor all of these things. And I think we took another trade. Nah, it was GBP 80. Okay, we took GBP 80, NZD card, Euro JPY, and CHF JPY this week. Those are the 4 trades that we took, and Euro JPY hit our stop loss, so that's the only stop loss hit that we experienced so far this week. And also in this session we're going to be looking at what is to call it, GU. We are going to be looking at GU. All right, so now we're going to be looking at GU, but sorry guys, let me share the links and things like that to our channels, right? So our free Telegram channel and also our premium and VIP channels. It is very, very important. And also I will share it to our students, to our followers on Instagram, so that them too they can come and check out on us. So I'm sharing it now in our official group chats and our official channels. All right, let's get it, man. Come on everybody. All right, I'll just share it now. So yeah, hopefully they'll just join us, very soon. All right, and as we continue guys, if there's any other pair that you want me to analyze for you or check it out for you, you can just let me know. Hey Israel, please can you check out this particular pair for me? I'm kind of having some doubts and things like that, right? You can just write it down in the live chat section. I will be able to see it and analyze that particular pair live and direct here with you and tell you my opinion regarding what is going to happen on that particular pair whereby you've given to me, right? So now let's get it and let's go back to our GBP USD. Since I said that we are going to be looking at GBP USD for the day, and of course if you see another potential entry entry point on other pairs like GJ whatsoever, you got to trade it. Like you guys know that we trade everything in the market, so that's how it is. So yeah, like I was saying, let's go back down to GBP USD. All right, that's Euro USD anyway. GBP USD, where are you, man? All right, this is GBP USD. Yeah, so I'm looking out to buy GBP USD right now, but let's wait for London market to fully open. As you guys can see that this is my trend line and it's not yet broken, so we have to wait for it to get broken and so that we can buy the market, right? But also if you check out these points, something interesting happened right there. Came down for retracement and now it's trying to go back up to the upside, right? So this is where I got to mark this out again on the smaller time frame, being 15-minute time frame. So let's see if you have a breakout of this again on this smaller time frame. I'll regard this as a buy opportunity for us, but right now there's no specific entry points because my signal confluences did not meet my requirements completely, right? You guys can see what happened on this 1 hour time frame. So right now, I'll be looking out for buying opportunities after this trend line is broken on this 1 hour time frame, right? Excuse me. So this is GBP CHF, and this is GJ. Not interested in this. And also, okay, we are already in NZD card, NZD CHF. Nah, nothing much on that. So yeah, we're looking out for a lot of pairs to trade this week. Okay, this is AUD card anyway. You guys should remember my analysis on AUD card, right? Now I think got to go back up for long on this, but the stop loss is gonna be much higher. All right, but it's gonna worth it anyway. Going up for 150 pips on this, so we gotta go. But before that, we gotta see that the market will break out of this. After the market broke out of this, before to go up again for that 150 pips, right, on this AUD card. So this is it. You guys see this, right? Come on everybody, if you're my students here, you'll be able to know exactly what I mean by this line that I put and things like that, and you know where the market direction is gonna go now. So yeah, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. So let's get it. We are seeing it, man. All right, somebody said GBP and GBP 80, something like that. This guy knows his story. Keep it up, man. Okay, thank you very much, bro. I really appreciate it. Thank you. You know what I mean? I really appreciate it, man. All right, then Kilo Trailer is saying morning. Yeah, good morning, bro. How are you doing? And Oscar is saying Cassia Chef, please. All right, I will check it out. And Desmond is saying GBP 80. I'm in for a buy. You know, GBP 80 has seen our final take profit last. Yeah, it was on Monday that we took GBP 80, right? And of course, if the market is still gonna go up to the upside, you can still get in. You guys still see my, my analysis and everything. You know, is still right here on this. And also, if you are going to get in right now on this GBP 80, we are late. See where we are supposed to get in. We are supposed to get in at this level right here. We are supposed to get in, and we are supposed to be around the 55 pips in profit at the moment. So we are supposed to get in right here. That's supposed to be our perfect entry point. See where we got in last on Monday. Right here, it was a perfect entry point, right? There was nothing like drawdown or whatsoever, and we were just risking 40 pips on this to make 120 pips. It was 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, right? If you risk 1% of your account, you're supposed to make 3% of your account size on this particular trade last week, right? So that's how it is. Sorry guys, let me grab some water so that I have to keep hydrated. It's not easy talking to you guys, you know what I mean? Sorry guys. All right. Okay. I have to keep hydrated, man. Stay hydrated, rather. All right. So yeah, this is GBP 80, and let's go back down to GU so that I can see if there is a potential entry point on GU. Right. I think we're about to get in. I don't think GU will still go back down for retracement, but the stop loss is gonna be around 50 pips. Like, it's gonna be much, man. Around 70 pips. Nah. All right. Nah, I don't know. Not interested in this. No entry points as of now. We gotta wait for the market to give us entry points. All of this, though it has broken out of this. Let's see if we are going to see a retracement to that. Let me mark out some levels first. This is the that's another level. This is it as well. So let's see what is going to happen right here on this 15-minute time frame. To look out for entry points on GBP USD, right? So that's it, guys, and that's it. So okay, and I was trying to look at AUD card anyway. AUD card. Let me check out AUD card. Try to look at AUD card. Okay, let's wait for AUD card as well to come back down for retracement a little bit before we get in for the buy. You guys see that the market did not break out of this zone, right? Let's wait for it to break out of that before we can now regard it as a buy, so that we can ride it all the way to where our take profit is going to be on AUD card as well. So AUD card now, there's no good trend line right there. So let's see what is going to happen on this, guys. So let's see if we have a breakout of this. Definitely it's going to go back up to the upside. Then from there, we can now set our take profit and things like that up. I'm gonna be right above that. All right, that will be okay. So yeah, that's just it, and it's gonna go back up for around almost 70 pips anyway. Yeah, the target will be for about 70 pips. I will be risking around 35 pips. Yeah, around 35 pips right there. So it's gonna be 1 to 2 risk reward ratio on AUD card, but let's see if we still see a move to the downside from this point. Look out for buy opportunities here. But if the market continues to push back up to break out of this level, that it's gonna go back up again to the upside. But right now, let's see if we are going to see a move to the downside from here to this point, right? Then we'll get in right here for a buy and ride it all the way to where our take profit is gonna be. So that's it, man. And also, that's just how it is. And just give me some minutes, guys. I'll be right back. Give me some seconds. Let me check out something. All right, I'm back, guys. I'm back. All right, okay. So AUD card is trying to break out of this. I think we're about to go long on this. So yeah, let me say take profit, stop loss, and things like that, guys, so that we can have our first trade of the day. And you know, that's how it is. So right now, stop loss is gonna be around this area. So let me see. 70 pips right there. It's gonna be for around 80 pips here. All right, come on everybody. Yup. The setup is getting ready. We are getting ready for this, man. All right, guys. So about to go long on this. About to go long on this, man. All right. So it's gonna go back up from here to the upside for about 80 pips. That's how they set up. I target this previous resistance zone here. This is where I target. This is right here. That's what I target. So let's see what exactly is gonna happen around that area, right? So now, yup, broke out of this structure, man. So we are about to go long on this. All right, guys. So yep, I'm going long on a AUD card right now, and also I'm still holding CHFJPY and the NZD card. So I'm about to add AUD card, the UD card. About to trade this, man, to get in so that we can see what exactly is gonna happen, right? Just bought AUD card and let me see. All right now. Okay. Going long on AUD card, guys. AUD card 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, that's just it. Yeah. I'm long on AUD card, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay, got. Okay, I still need one more. Boom. Yup. I just got in long on AUD card, so I'm risking about 40 pips, man. This is where I got in, right here. So let me just tell you my entry points. My entry points on AUD card right now is 0.97409. 0.97409. 409. Come on, everybody. Because of spread, man. Because of spread, is where I got in. My spread is kind of high right now, so that's where my entry point is. It's still the same thing anyway. So around my spread is around how many pips? Around 1 pips. So I have 1 pip spread. So that's it, man. Yep. So that's my entry points on this AUD card. So that's my entry point on AUD card, guys. Let's see what is gonna happen. And of course, our first take profit and things like that. I'm about to set it up, and I'm risking 40 pips on this, right? Okay, I'm risking 40 pips. So yeah, let me inform our students so that they can know exactly I'm on AUD card buy, right? Let me let you guys know so that they will know. I bought. Okay. I bought AD card around price 0.9, okay, 0.97409. That's my entry point. I'm risking 40 pips on this trade. Risking 40 pips, so just send it to the free Telegram channel as well. That's just it. So if you are there, you'll be able to know that I just gave you guys the entry point and things like that now. So now I will set first TP, second TP and things like that. All right, let me check out what you guys are saying. Somebody is saying GBP 80, I mean for a buy. Okay, I've already did that. Please check AUD for me. Okay, all right, I'll check AUD for you. LJ buy, please check GBP card and also Nasdaq. All right, I will check all of these guys, because right now let me set first TP, second TP and things like that for this our first trade of the day. And all of our trade this week has been hitting take profit. Only EJ that hit our stop loss for 30 pips, right? So that's the only trade that we lost this week so far. So far so good. We are good to go, man. We are good to go. All right, yeah guys, just before we continue, make sure you are giving this video a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family. It is very, very important, guys, right? So make sure you do that and support the channel, man. Support the channel, guys. All right. That's the only way you can show to me, oh, hey Israel, I really appreciate what you're doing here and things like that. You know what I mean? So yeah, because I put much time of teaching you guys right here for free. This is just free things on YouTube. You know what I mean? So it is what it is, guys. All right. Let's get it. So let me set first TP, second TP and things like that on AUD card, man. On AUD card. It's very, very important for us to set all of these things, guys. Okay. So since this is my entry point, first TP is gonna be around for 30 pips, because we'll target another high, not high and low again. We'll target high. So let me go and set it up for you guys. Also, I'll post it here anyway. I'll still post it here. So AUD card buy, and I'm risking 40 pips to make around 80 pips, right? So the stop loss is 0.96992. 0.96992. That's it for minus 40. Then first TP is 0.97699. The second TP is for 50 pips. So let's set it randomly around this area. All right, for 97898. 97898. That's 50 pips, and final TP is for 80 pips. So 80 pips around this area, right? Yep, 80 pips. 98. Okay, let me just say it. 98199. 98199. That's it, and my entry point I say 0.97409, right? So that's it, and the final tip is 80 pips. Every car buy. All right, boom, there we go. I just sent it to our premium channel. Now sending it to VIP. Boom, send it to VIP. Now I will send it to the free Telegram channel, because I'm just giving you guys that in free Telegram channel a bonus this week, just giving you a bonus. This is my third trade now, third signal for you guys in the free VIP, in the free Telegram channel, right? This is our third signal. You guys are eating this week. Our first signal was GBP AUD, which was for 111 pips. second signal, which was NZD card, and right now NZD card hit first TP and is still moving in profit, right? So you see, you guys are eating this week along the way, you know what I mean? And it is very good, you know. It is very, very good. I like each and every one of us to be eating. I don't like you guys losing money in the forex market, you know. It's not okay. It's not okay, right? Okay, guys. So yeah, AD card is trying to push back up to the upside. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hope you guys are enjoying this live stream so far. If you are enjoying this live stream, please give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. That's how you can tell me, hey, Israel, we actually like what you're doing right here. You know what I mean? So if you don't like it, you know, you can just maybe give it a thumbs down or say, hey, Israel, I don't like it. Just make a comment, I don't like it, right? You know, nobody will just arrest you or do whatsoever. It is your opinion. It is your opinion, and I'm doing it openly. You know, you can rate it either good or bad. I don't care. So you know, that's just how it is, man. That's just how it is. I'm not the one that's supposed to rate my trade and things like that. You guys are supposed to rate it. Okay, say Israel, you know, this is how it is. This is how it is. You rate it, not me rating. If I'm rating it, of course I will not rate myself as a bad score or whatever. You know what I mean? So you rate me, any score that you give it to me, you know, I will accept it based on that's how the thing is to you guys, right? So it is very important for you to rate it, guys. All right, give this video a thumbs up, man, along the way. Let's get it. Let's get it. AD card right now, we are still in it, and let me set the let me tell you where the stop loss is, take profit and things like that. So our false TP is around. Okay, let me copy it out. Let me copy it out, guys, so that you can understand where exactly they are. It is very, very important. Let me go down to our Telegram channel, copy in from there, because I've already sent the data, so no need for me to do it again, because I gotta remove this, man. I gotta remove this analysis. This was for my students anyway, because I do explain things in details for them so that they will not have any much question, because I want them to understand everything that we are doing here, man. So, but most importantly, we'll have to wait for this trade again to break out of this in order for us to determine compounding, or in order for us to compound on this trade, right? Let me mark that out. So let's see what is going to happen on this, guys. All right, so let me put the first TP, second TP, and things like that, and this is gonna be the entry points. Come on, what's going on, man? Hope you guys can hear me. All right. Okay. So now let me put text in here. So I'll now clear all of this stuff and leave that alone. So I'm gonna put this right here so that you guys can be seeing it, right? I want you guys to be seeing all of this stuff. Anything that I'm doing, guys, is open. You know what I mean? It's open. We don't do hidden things here. So copy text. I'm gonna say put it around this area. Boom. So my entry. Okay, no need for entry points anymore. I'll do something like this. Then also I'll clear this disclaimer because it's already on our channel, so no need for me to put it here again. Then I'll increase the fonts. Yup. Now we are ready to go. Then where's our first TP? It's around price 97699. 97699. Yup, this is where our first TP is. 699. All right, that's first TP, and second TP is around price 97898. 97898. 898. All right, that's second TP. The final TP for 80 pips is around this area, right? That's where our final TP is. just make it like this. That's the final TP. All right, guys, so let me log everything so that it will not be as if I'll be shifting it. All right, so now I'll put the stop loss, entry points, and things like that so that you can just understand what I'm doing, right? Stop loss for which is minus 40 pips. If this trade hit our stop loss, you know, you're gonna be losing around 40 pips on this. That's it, and let me pin it. All right, then second, entry point is around here. That's the entry point, and I'm gonna say entry point, so entry points, then that's the entry points. Let me just put it here. That's the entry point. Then now I'll put the first TP for 30 pips, and this is it. I'm gonna say first TP for plus 30 pips. That's our first TP. Then second TP for 50 pips, which is gonna be, what am I even doing, man? For plus 50 pips. Hope you guys are hearing what I'm saying, right? So that it's not be as if I'm just talking to myself, you know. Second TP for plus 50 pips. Then now we're gonna go back up to final TP. Final TP, which is for 80 pips, which is around here. For plus 80 pips. So yup. And that's it, guys. So now we are ready to go. I will screenshot this and save it, right? Screenshot it and save it. You know, that's how I usually do, man. After I do my setup, I confirm everything, get into the trade and things like that, then I will save it, and so that I can show you that before and after, right? Before and after. That's how I do my things, man. All right, guys, so yeah, I'm not long on AED card. I have everything set up, so that's just it. And if you have any question, you can ask a question right now about this AED card analysis and trade before we continue with other stuffs, right? Because it is very important for you to ask me questions if there is any, guys, because that's why I'm doing live stream here, so that you can understand how to trade Forex, right? It is very, very important, guys. Yeah, so as you do that, let's go down and check out some pairs and things like that. You guys know that I do take around 1 to 3 signals, 1 to 3 trade a day. That's how I usually trade my trade, right? So now let's go back down to that GBP USD, because I was saying that we are going to trade GBP USD as well. So yeah, GBP USD is about to break those levels that I marked out now, and then we'll get back into this trade, man. All right, breaking out of this, guys. So let's see what is going to happen on GBP USD. So this is GBP USD right now, and you know, our target is going to be right above. I'm going to go long on this as well. I'm going to go long on it. Our stop loss is going to be around 50 pips to make around 110 pips. Yeah, it's going to be more than 110 anyway. 115 pips to make 115 pips. So this 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So let's see what is going to happen on this. is 1 to 2 risk to ratio, and I'll do something like this. All right, now let me go back down to 15 minutes so that I can confirm what exactly is happening here. This is it. This is 15 minutes time frame, and let's see if we have a breakout of this and retest, then we are going to get in on this trade as well. So let's just continue to wait, guys. I'm able to understand exactly what is going on this right now. So I don't know if you are able to understand it, but me personally, understand what's happening right now. So yeah, let's check out the AD card, and before I take your questions, I'll start to answer all of them, right? Any question that you have, I will now start to answer it for you guys. It is very, very important, right? Because I don't want you guys to say, oh, Israel just do this for himself and he doesn't explain this and that, right? I'm pretty much excited to explain everything that I know in the market to you guys, but not everything anyway, because I gotta reserve some for my VIP and premium students, right? Though for premium students, VIP, I just share signals there, it's just signals in the VIP group chat. And but in the premium stuff, even them, they know what we do right there. I do teach them everything I know in the Forex market, and that's where we do have a conversation so that they can ask me questions like one-on-one and things like that. No, it's not one-on-one because it is a general Zoom call, right? So yeah, if you need one-on-one calls, you can still organize it. I mean, you can still order for it, and that's just how it is. And right now, our one-on-one call, if you are trying to maybe get a one-on-one call, it comes with the lifetime mentorship, which is going to be this premium stuff. So you're going to be right there as well. But after I release website, it's no more going to be, together with the lifetime mentorship. So that's how it is, guys. And let's continue with this, man. Let's go. All right, it is a time for me to take your questions now, since we took our first trade of the day, as we wait for GBP/USD to GBP/USD to maybe give us that entry point so that we can get in also on GBP/USD. CHF, JPY hit our final TP, and EJ hit our stop loss, and now he's trying to go back up to the upside after hitting our stop loss. So it is what it is, guys. And also let's go down to GBP/AD hit our final take profit as well. You guys see that? Then NZD card is still moving in profit. You see that? Going for our second take profit now. It has kissed our second take profit yesterday, but now came back down for retracement. Now it's going back up again to hit that second take profit before the final TP, right? I shared everything with you guys yesterday. You see the data that I gave you yesterday is still right here. I did not delete anything, you know what I mean? So everything is still intact, and waiting for it to hit our final TP for 120 pips, man. I'm still holding this trade as well. And also, I'm looking at which trade is that? I think we took another trade again. It is what it is. I kind of forget about them. So this is USD CHF. USD card is still pushing, and USD JPY is still pushing as well. But USD JPY is kind of getting interested, man. Yeah. It's kind of getting interesting. We might get in on this as well later on. But let's see. Let's keep on observing first and see exactly what is going to happen on USD JPY. We are having a double top. That's another confirmation. And now we had some sort of a tweezer stop formation. And if you are one of my premium students, you'll be able to know exactly how we trade tweezer stop, double top, and all of these stuffs, man. So you see that? Then the next thing that is going to happen, boom, it's going to fall back down for around 180 pips. All right, I think we'll take advantage of this move, man. That's how it is. We have some fake outs right there. So let's see if you're going to continue to see a move within this area, which is a ranging market. But let's see what is going to happen, guys. Also, like I said, let me start to take your questions. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. so that we can you know that okay, you guys like what we are doing so far. All right, guys, let's get it. Let's get it. Let me take your questions now. Okay, somebody is saying card CHF. All right, that's the first one that I will answer. Card CHF. So let me check out card CHF and see exactly what's going on right there, so that you can know what to do. This card CHF 1 hour time frame. Let me go back down to 4 hour time frame. This is card CHF 4 hour time frame. What about daily time frame? Okay, come on everybody. Yeah. It's kind of getting interesting for Excel anyway. Okay, so this will be the target for now. This will be the first target. Let's go down to 4 hour time frame. How many pips is this anyway? Around 90 pips. And if you see a breakout of that, you know what is going to happen next. It's going to continue to push back down to the downside, right? Yep, that's the first target that we're going to be seeing on this. This is it. But I'd rather wait for the buy opportunity, man. I'd rather wait for the buy because this is just a retracement. And you see this trend line? So the market will obey this trend line. And let me set the color to this. So yep, this is it right now, and having some level here, and we are having some resistance line around this zone. You see that? So this is it, man. This is it. And also we are having this key zones. You see? So what is going to happen on this? What is going to happen on this is that the market will continue to come down to these points and possibly hit this before it to push back up to the upside again. So right now, that's what I'm seeing on card CHF. So is there any question? The person that asked about this card CHF, is there any question? You can let me know. So let's see guys. Let's see what is going to happen on that. Okay, let me see. GBP AUD, I've answered that question. And somebody is saying AUD NZD. All right, I'll go and check out the AUD NZD now. I'll go and check the AUD NZD so that you can know exactly what to expect on AUD NZD as well. It is very, very important, guys. All right. I'm gonna go back down to AUD NZD. So let's go down to AUD NZD so that we know exactly what is going to happen before we continue with this trade. This is AUD NZD, and okay, yeah, it's kind of getting interesting anyway, but don't enter for now because of what I'm saying. It might come down for a sell anyway, but you see that this is daily time frame. This is daily time frame. Just take note of that. This is daily time frame now, and you see what the market is doing. The market is trying to respect this move to the upside, right? So now yep. So yeah, AUD NZD might come down to this level and push back up again to the upside. So you have to wait for all of this move to happen first before, and this is 100 pips anyway. You can still sell it, but no confirmations for me right now. You see this level? Okay, let me mark something out, guys. See this level here? That's it. So this is where your target is gonna be. But right now, before that, it has to break out of this structure before it will come down to this to the downside. So if you follow my advice, don't trade AED NZD for now. Wait for the move to happen first before you get in. All right, it's all the way to where you're expecting the market to go. Right, all right, guys. So now let's go back down to your chart so that I can answer everything before we continue with some of these stuff, right? So somebody is saying that AJ buy. All right, let me check out AJ, which is ADJPY, right? Yeah, ADJPY is supposed to buy anyway, but let's see, because I have to confirm it now. That's not what I want. I don't like using Oanda, man. All right. Okay. Daily time frame. Daily time frame right now. And there's no clear move here, man. There's no clear move here right now. Let me see how many pips is this gonna go back up to this point. 120 pips. 120 pips. So yeah, if you want to buy this trade, but let me confirm something. Okay, yeah. Okay, all right. It's gonna buy, man. It's gonna continue to buy, bro. But let me see. Yep, it's gonna continue to buy, but before that you have to let me still confirm something anyway. So you see, it still fall within this zone, right? Still fall within this zone. So you see, still fall within that zone. Sorry guys, I'm not trying to explain everything, right? So I'm just trying to explain some stuffs in my, for myself. So that's how it is so far you're not premium students. All right, yep. Wait for breakout to happen, and it's gonna go for, okay, this 120 something pips anyway. It's still okay. So yeah, that's it. Wait for it to break out of this and go long on it. It's gonna go back up to the upside after breaking out of the structure, right? But right now it's kind of getting exhausted, so it is what it is, guys. Yup. So yeah, just wait for it to break out of this before you continue, before you can now say, okay, it's ready to go back up for a buy, right? That's how it is. So that's my take on this ADJPY right now. Wait for it to break, and before you can expect the market to go up to the upside again. So now somebody is saying, let me check out again. Somebody is saying GBP card. Okay, I will check GBP card as well. And Nasdaq. Okay, I love your trading strategy, Coach Israel. All right, thank you very much, bro. And most importantly, we are able to make some money trading the strategy, right? Because that's the very, very important part of it. So watch BTC, bro. All right, I watch Bitcoin as well, but I don't trade cryptos except I buy it and hold it, right? That's how I do for cryptos. I buy it and hold it, not me trying to just trade it on with my broker and things like that. Now I don't do it like that. So now let me go back down to check GBP card, right? When will you likely release the website? The website right now, I'm just having some short time, and the website is already up, but don't register yet because we are still getting things here, man. This is the website, and you guys see everything is right here on the website, right? That's it. So what I'm still doing is I'm still uploading videos, video presentation, explaining my strategy, how to get into the market and things like that. I'm still explaining all of those stuffs, making the videos and uploading it to the market, onto the website, So it's just a gradual process, guys. I don't rush this, I don't rush it. So that's how it is, guys. You guys see everything right here, ittforextrading.com. That will be our domain name, and right now everything is up, and just that I'm still uploading the videos. After I finish uploading videos right to the on the website, everything will be right and okay and ready to go. That's just it, man. And you see our yearly fee now is going to be $300, and also one-on-one mentorship is going to be $600 for new students. And also this one that I'm offering lifetime mentorship for $300 right now is going to be $1,200 on this, but it will come with this one-on-one mentorship, and it will come with yearly mentorship, and it's going to be a lifetime. You see that? So it has around 900 package, and also just additional of $300. So it's going to be lifetime mentorship, and that's how it is, not yearly mentorship anyway. All right, guys. So now let's go back down to our main business, right? Just trying to answer each one of your questions, guys, so that we can understand exactly what to do right here, right? So now somebody is saying why didn't you wait for AD card to retest the structure that it just broke before going long? Now, I see a lot of buy confluences, man. Let me check out the AD card anyway and see how far it is to know whether it's moving in our direction or against us, right? So let me check it out. So this is it right now. AD card is in profit, so why be scared? I say that I'm seeing a lot of signal confluences that is telling me, hey, draw, I'm going for a buy, right? That's the difference between me and some of the new forex traders, right? So you get in at where you have your signal confirmations, right? Once you have them, you get into the market and ride you to all the way to where you are expecting the market to go, right? Now, how many pips are we in profit right now on this? Around 4 pips. So we are 4 pips in profit, man. That's cool. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. What about our NZD card? Is it still pushing back up to the upside? Let's check our NZD card. I'm still in that trade as well. Come on, everybody. Still going up to the upside. So you see this? That just it, man. That just it. So I'm still holding this trade. Waiting for it to come up and hit our second take profit, right? And also, before we continue, guys, if today's your first time right here, why not give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family, and if there's any group that okay, you can share the channel and everything there so that they can understand exactly what we are doing right here on YouTube, right? And them too, they can enjoy our pips, man. Come on, everybody, let's get it, let's get it. All right, so now let's go back down. After you subscribe to the channel, just smash it, man. Just smash it. Let me show you how to do that. Once you are on YouTube, just like this, you know what I mean. So this is the YouTube now. I'll just go to the video that we are watching right now, which is the live forex trading. This is it, Israel the Trading channel. Once you're on this, this is where you can click on the, what is it called, like this video, man. Just click on it. It doesn't cost you anything. Doesn't cost you anything. Just click on the, alright, just click on it like this. Boom. You like the video and go back down to subscribe to the channel and things like that, because this is my channel now, so I cannot personally do a what is it called, subscribe to this, right? Because it is my channel, so I cannot subscribe to it. I mean, I log into my second account, I'll be able to say how exactly we do a subscribe to the channel, right? It's not, you don't need to pay anything to subscribe to the channel. This is not premium stuff or whatsoever. You just like the video. That's just it, man. That's just it. All right, guys. Let's get back down to our business. Let's go back to 80 card and see exactly what the market is doing. The market is still pushing back up to the upside. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. All right. We're about to be in a London session now, and 11 minutes to go, guys. 11 minutes to go. So somebody asked us to check GBP card and Nasdaq, right? Let me check GBP card for you guys, so that for me personally, I don't like trading GBP card. I don't know why. I don't just like the setup that I'm having on that trade, on that pair, you know. It doesn't move the way I want. But right now I think it's kind of trying to move, yeah, the right way, things like that. Let me check out something. Um, the first thing that will come into my mind is this. This is the first thing that I can think of on this. After which, then I have another one right here. Of course, it got broken. Yup. It got broken now, right at this level. Let me just get rid of this anyway. But that's not valid anymore. Now it has broken out of this structure, and you see that around this area is breaking out of it to go up to the outside, right? So now you can buy GBP card, but let me check 1 hour time frame. All right, yeah, you can buy GBP card anyway. Yep. You can buy GBP card, and this will be your target. Your target is going to be right above here, and for 290 pips, that will be your target, and you are supposed to risk around. Yep, this is where your stop loss is going to be. Supposed to risk 60 pips, but this will be your first target anyway. 180 pips. Yeah, 180 pips. It's going to be your first target on this trade, but before that, you still need a break out of this structure, right? Let me put it here, or let me put this right on this zone. You need a break out of that. Once you see a break out of that, definitely it's going to continue to go back up to the upside. So that's how it is, guys, and you can still mark this level out where I say it's going to be your target. So boom, that will be your first target. Before this will be your first target. So that's it, man. That's it. You can also confirm this analysis on your own, so that you can have more signal confirmations to get in for the buy I'm talking about. So just do it yourself again as well, man. But this is what I'm seeing on GBP card. That's what I'm seeing on it. So yep, that's my take on GBP card, guys. If you have any question, you can let me know right now, so that so that you can have more understanding of how we do this in the market, man. It is very, very important. All right, so let's go back down to see what exactly is going on. All right, sorry, I gotta just inform my what is it called, it Instagram users, because they're supposed to come here and join us as well, so that they can have more understanding of how we do all of these things in the forex market. It is very, very important, guys. Let me check our GBP USD again as well, because I think AD card is kind of a bit slow right now. I think maybe it's lacking liquidity. Let me check GU first and see exactly what's happening there. Oh wow, GU is breaking out of this, man. Come on, everybody. I think GU is gonna be our second trade of the day. And let me see. Yeah. GU. Come on, man. GU broke out of this, and gonna continue to go back up to the upside. Then let me just calculate how many pips is this move. It's around 8 or 9 pips. Yup, everybody, I'm buying GU right now. Additional buy on GU, right? Come on, man. But this is supposed to be our signal for premium stuff anyway. You know, let's focus on AD card. Let's focus on AD card for now. But I'm not gonna see the signal first for now. Nah, man. If now, even if I'm going to take it, it's gonna be for the um, VIP and premium students. So it is what it is, man. All right, all right. So now let's continue to monitor our AD card. But AD card is a bit slow right now. So let's just wait for it to. Hope you guys are still enjoying this so far. Come on, everybody. What's going on, man? Okay, we're having some sort of bad connections, or things like that. Let's see what's happening. Okay, back to our AD card. All right, guys. So now let's just focus on this AD card and see exactly what the market is gonna do, and I'll be updating you guys on whatsoever that is happening on this. Right? It is very important. So yeah, I think I checked GBP card. I checked. Okay, I'm about to check Nasdaq now and watch BTC, bro. All right, I'll check BTC and also I'll check GBP USD. What is happening there as well. All right, I think I'm about to do something on this, but I'm not going to do the analysis at the first TP, second TP here. I'm gonna go to my private browser so that I can do everything there and send it to my students, man. Like I said, it's not gonna be for everybody, so don't expect it to be for you or things like that, guys. So it is what it is, man. I'm about to set things up for the VIP and premium students. All right, all right. Come on, everybody. I'm experiencing some sort of bad connections now. And can All right, guys, we are back. We are back. So, yep, I'm here now, guys. Let's continue with what we are doing. All right, guys, we are back, or I'm back rather. I am about to check the trade for the VIP and premium, but you know, I'll check that out soon. Let me just focus on all of these stuff first before I go and check that one out. So yeah, our AD card is back to our entry points. Let me check out. All right, you see what GBPUSD has done? Get back down again. So let me see what exactly is gonna happen here, man. Yep. So this is we are now in London session, right? So still look out for some trade to trade for the day and things like that. AD card, boom. Now back down to our entry point, right? So let's see what is gonna happen, guys. Just in few minutes, you know. London session just kicked in about 7 minutes ago, so let's see what exactly is gonna happen here, man. Very, very important. So yeah, somebody is saying AUD, please analyze USD card. All right, I'll check on the AUD and the USD card. Yep, AUD. Let me remove the whole drawing and see exactly what is going on here, man. 1 hour time frame. Come on, everybody. Yup, AUD right now might start to push to the upside very soon. But we have to have complete signal confluences before to enter. You see that? So needed to break out of this and retest this previous zone before we cannot regard it as to go back up for a buy, right? See things here. Let's get it, man. All right, so this is it. We have to wait for it to break out of the structure before it to continue to go to the upside, and this will be your target for now. That will be your targets, and so this is gonna be for how many pips? If I set it up from here, it's gonna be for 300 pips, man. All right. So that's it, and you'll be able to know exactly how many pips you're going to be risking. So wait for it to retest, break out of this and retest before you can now enter and ride it all the way to where you're expecting it to go, right? It is very, very important, guys. So that's what I'm seeing on AUD USD. Let's go down to USD card and see exactly. Oh, USD card right now is just been in this range. It is a range of market at the moment. Supposed to be right there. It is a ranging market, so let's see what is going to happen on this. You see, it's been in a range, so no need for you to trade this for now because it is a ranging market. Wait for it to break out of this ranging zone before I can see a clear vision of where exactly this a USD card is going to go. But right now, it is a ranging market, and you know how to trade ranging market. You buy low, sell high. You buy low, sell high. That's how we trade ranging market, right? So just use common sense, man. That's how we trade the ranging market. And so AD card is still pushing. Let's see what exactly is gonna happen, guys. So I think we're about to end the stream very soon. So we'll end the stream. It's 1 hour 18 minutes. So maybe in 12 minutes we'll end the stream and call it a day. But I'll still be monitoring this trade and be allowing you guys to kind of know exactly what is happening on this, right? And because right now, excuse me, because right now I want to give my students signals and things like that as well. So I want to check out some stuffs and so that I can trade it. But before that, I can do that on my own anyway, right here. I can do that so that they can understand exactly what we are doing, right? So I think it is a time for me to send them the signal, but you will not be able to know which pair we are trading, right? Because I just opened my private browser right now, trying to do some analysis right there as well. So you'll not be able to know exactly which pair I'm looking at and things like that. But you'll be able to see the profit and things like that after we got in, right? So yeah, I think I'm about to take this trade, and this is going to be for VIP and premium students, not for everybody. So sorry for that, guys. That's how it is, man. Don't expect me to give you everything. Nah, I'm not gonna do that because there are others who pay for this. Boom. I just bought this trade now again. So alright, I'm gonna let my students know that okay, I just bought so trade. So yeah, 38766. Wow, boom, right away is a profit, man. Come on, everybody, stop kidding me. 38766. 38766. Okay, I'm risking all right, 387. Boom, I just sent it to them, to VIP and the premium students. Just send it to them. Yeah, of course I will not send this to free Telegram channel. Yep, I'm done with that. So yeah, let's focus on our AD card, guys. So it is what it is. And let me check GBP 80. Okay, all right, GBP 80 is still pushing back up to the upside. I'm gonna set stop loss and take profit for this trade here. But let's see what is gonna happen. So yeah, don't expect me to give you everything, guys. I don't do that. That's not gonna happen. Of course, I do my best and share with you guys all of these stuffs, but everything. Okay, so GU is still playing around this zone, right? GU is still playing around this zone, so it is what it is. Let's go back up and check AD card. Since we are on AD card, so that just is, man. All right, don't just maybe doubt AD card and things like that. Of course, it will be in profit, guys. Let's get it. Let's go, man. We are still playing around this around break even, but No need to panic, guys. No need to panic. It is what it is. So, I'm still in this trade, man. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. So let's get it. Let's get it. All right. So yeah, like I was saying, if there's any other specific pair that you still want me to analyze for you, you can say, hey Israel, please can you analyze this pair and things like that, so that I can just check it out for you, right? It's very, very important. See, guys, I'm straightforward. Anything that I will not do, or anything that I cannot do, I will let you know right away that I don't do this, I don't do that, right? No need for me to be trying to tell you, okay, see this. Nah, I don't do that, man. All I do is I do my things. So if you like it, you like it, because I do. See, I compete with myself, man. I compete with myself. I don't compete with nobody. I compete with myself. Anything that I'm capable of doing, I will say I will do it. And anything that I'm not capable of doing, I'll say I can't do this or I don't do that, right? So that's just it. That's just it. So just do what you can do, guys. Don't do what you cannot do, right? It is very, very important. So that's just who I am. So yeah, it is what it is, man. Let me set some stuffs. Okay, sorry guys, let me set first TP and second TP and things like that for my students. Okay, 38766. Where was that? All right. Um, trying to. Okay, let me. Nope. Let me check this. And which one is this, man? So am I doing? Try to change some stuffs. All right. Yeah, yeah. 387 66. All right. That's it. And we're risking around 50 pips. Yeah, around 50 pips to make 120 pips. All right. So guys, yeah, I'm just setting some stuff to my students. Just hold on a minute. Very soon I'll finish. So just hold on a minute, please. Yeah. You gotta save this as well. Boom, so that we can take note of it later on. All right. So yeah, very soon I'll be finished, guys. Let me send this to them, and so that everything will be quite okay. Around this price, choose this. Then stop loss is this, and which is okay. It's 263. First TP for 30 pips, and it is around price this. So this second TP 50 pips and 50 pips, so it's gonna be around this area. And it is 9278 and final TP, which is 120 pips, and it is around price okay. Alright, and it is 120. Alright, so yeah, boom, I've set everything for them and I sent it just now. So if you are among the premium students of VIP, you gotta see that I just sent updated this stop loss, take profit and things like that just now. So yep, you can go there and check it out, man. All right. Yep, so yeah, AD card right now is just trying to go back down to the downside. So we are negative, how many pips is this? Negative 2 pips. Yeah, getting to 3 pips, negative 3 pips on this. All right, let's see what is gonna happen. Let's see. And of course, I'm not seeing that it's gonna go back down to the downside, man. Very soon, you gotta see that to push back up to the upside, right? This is just some sort of retracement. But let's wait and see what is gonna happen, because we can never tell. Market makers at times, they do catch us, catch us in the market. You know what I mean? Because they know exactly what we are thinking and things like that. So they do catch us at times, but the only thing is that we should not allow them to beat us out of the market, right? We should not allow them to beat us out of the market. So that's when what is it called? That's when risk management comes into play. Forex trading is not just only you try to make quick money and things like that. Risk management as well, comes into play. All right, guys. Yeah. Just a quick reminder: if today is your first time here, you gotta give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family. It is very, very important, guys. If you have any question, you can still ask me while I'm still here live and direct. And I say that this stream is gonna end in 1 hour 30 minutes, and right now, that's the right time. It is 1 hour 30 minutes right now. So any moment from now, we'll stop the stream and call it a day. So maybe during New York session, we might come back up again and do another live stream. But let's see if we'll be able to do that as soon as possible, right? Because right now we are in a AUD card buy, man, and also this is a trade that I'm in with my students. So right now, that one we are in profit of how many pips? Right now we are in profit of 8 pips, guys. Come on, everybody. And our first what is it called it? Our first TP is 30 pips. So right now, we are about 10 pips again. Come on, everybody, let's go, man. That's how it is, guys. That's how it is. Of course, you cannot win everything, but you can still win some and lose some. That's how it is. We are 10 pips in profit. Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Come on, guys. We are in it, man. We are in it. So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Come on, everybody. All right, guys. So yeah, I'm still in this trade. I'm holding it, and VIP and premium students as well, they are in there holding the trade. And I gave them stop loss, take profit and things like that. So let's go back down to our AUD card. So this is our AUD card right now. It's still moving around this zone. So let's see what is going to happen in a few hours or a few minutes, right? Let's go back and check our NZD card and see what exactly is happening. Okay, NZD card as well, going back down for retracements. And after the retracements, it will still push back up to the upside, right? So this is NZD card right now. Hit our first TP, so about to hit our second tick profit here, but missed for some 0.5 pips, man. So right now it's still coming back down for retracement. Let's see what exactly is going to happen, but make sure you put your stop loss at the break even right now on NZD card, and also secure some profit if you are still holding it like me, right? Because me, I'm still in this trade as well, so it is what it is, and it's all up to you if you're going to be holding this trade. Okay, CHFJ hit our final take profit already, and let's go back down and check our AUD card and see what exactly is happening. AUD card is still pushing back down to the downside. Is negative how many pips right now? Negative 3 pips, getting to negative 4 pips. So it is what it is. Let's see what is going to happen in few hours. That just it, man. That just it. I'll be monitoring this trade and see exactly what is going to happen on it. So if you see that it break out of this and trying to push back down to the downside, I might reduce my my risk on it and things like that. But right now, let's see what is going to happen on this. Let's see what is going to happen on this, guys. All right, so yeah, that's basically it, guys. So you know, I think now we're about to end this stream, and I'll come back soon after a few hours because I have to deal with some stuffs as well. So see you soon, guys. So thank you very much for being part of the family, and also I really appreciate your presence right here. So yeah, if you got any question before I just end the stream and things like that, you can let me know and say, hey Israel, please, what do you mean by this, what do you mean by that, so that I can just answer your question before I say goodbye for the day. So yeah, guys, I wish you a good and profitable week for the day, profitable week, and also I wish you a good and profitable day. So I'll see Israel the trader, and I'm signing out. See you soon, guys. Thank you very much.